There we go.
Did you get the pop? Okay, we got another one coming.
In the middle of the night, all the ones that didn't explode are going to explode all at once. Got that.
Yeah, that was like a little explosion right there.
Yeah.
Real one.
We're in Iraq. We're just really far away.
Oh, crap. I thought that was coming back at me. This is the problem with trying to throw it left-handed. See if I can light it the other way. Ah, that's hot.
Whoa,
I cannot light it left-handed. Okay, just get it with me somehow. Let's see from right here, so I'm not burning myself as much.
Alright.
As much.
Oh, shit.
Oh. On the ground. On the ground. Pop. That is so weird.
Wow. Okay, let's try it again. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, that was close.
They're not going anywhere from right there.
Damn, that was like right by my feet. The camera made it look further away. Like, that looks oddly close. Oh shit.
Well, remember, the camera has 5 pounds to explosion.
Oh, there we go.
That's interesting.
That was slow.
They're not getting any farther than there as long as they don't have their sticks, I think.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe they will.
Oh, it's straight up. Oh shit.
He's watching the smoke. Whoa.
Wrong way.
How did it even do that?
It turned around on the fucking... It turned around on the pole.
Okay. It's still not quite as surprising as...
Yeah.
I hope one does that. What's this one?
It's not there, this one. Whoa. Again? What the hell? I couldn't even see that one.
Let's make this one real unpredictable.
Straight up?
Pointing downwards.
Oh. Okay.
Oh crap. Not pointing downwards anymore.
Oh shit, where's it pointing? Oh fuck! That looked like a totally different direction on the camera. I was like, oh fuck, I'm dead. I just swore that was coming straight for me. Let's get further away this time.
Okay, actually pointing down now. What's that gonna do?
Whoa, fuck! Oh my god, my ear! Ah, shit! Oh my god, yeah, I got it. I think. Oh my god, I couldn't pay attention. Shit, that was loud. Holy fuck.
Let's not do that direction again.
What the hell? Oh my god. It's aiming to kill now.
Well, they do have minds of their own.
Try not to kill each other, you guys.
What?
Try not to kill each other.
Well, it'll be me that kills everybody. Nobody else is lighting them.
You can hear us?
Yes.
You can hear the explosions that have made us all deaf.
Yeah, one popped right by the corner of the window. I mean, the corner of the...
Kind of why he came out, I think.
Yeah.